to serve with white rice. Also tastes good to cook as bean soup. Let's cooking. Ingredients are onion, lemongrass, curry leaves and shrimps. Also allow curry prawn soup paste.
3, 2, 1.
Clean curry leaves, push forward. To remove curry leaves from stem. This is how you should remove curry leaves from stem, and it's fun. Wash lemongrass, remove first layer and cubes. Cubes peeled onion. Clean the prawns. Cut off the legs and remove the shrimp intestines. 1 glass of milk/coconut milk. Fried shrimp heads to produce shrimp oil. Add and stir-fry lemongrass and onion cubes. Pour HDL curry prawn paste and stir-fry until aromatic. Add curry leaves. Add a large bowl of water to boil. After the soup is boiled, add the shrimps and cook. Pour milk or coconut milk. Seasoning is not required, as the curry prawn paste is flavorful. Now, look at the shrimp and color of soup broth. Plate it. Curry shrimps is ready to serve. Look at the shrimps, yummy! We can have this soup broth every day. It's delicious. The shrimps are cooked just right, not overcooked, and taste great. Let's cook this recipe and share it with your family. It's simple to make and requires no seasoning. The shrimp itself is very fresh and sweet. You get prawn and soup from one dish. Perfect choice for simple meal. This sauce paste can also used for steamboat soup base and fried bean. Next, I will transform it to curry shrimp bean soup. With this brand of rice noodles, you only need to soak them in hot water for 3 minutes and enjoy them, which is super convenient. Sliced hard-boiled egg or curry shrimp soup. Add shrimps and fried shallots. Curry shrimp bean soup is done. This recipe is so good and easy as a quick meal. Done within 5 minutes. More option for noodle fans. Give it a try. use curry powder for today's recipe. This air-free curry cauliflower is so appetizing. We love it so much. Cauliflower. Curry leaves. Wash curry leaves. Push forward to remove curry leaves from stem. This is fun. Does it look like flour? Continue plugging, aka play. Cauliflower, remove core and use hand to break. You may use knife to cut the bigger pieces. Pour into deeper bowl that easier to stir. Mix well with 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons curry powder, curry leaves, and drizzle some cooking oil. Pour cauliflower into baking pan, ready to air fry. Put into preheated air fryer. Fry at 180 degree 10 minutes, then flip and air fry again at 100 degree 5 minutes. Cauliflower is cooked. The air-fried cauliflower is not dry, and when eaten, it has the sweetness of the cauliflower itself and is mixed with the aroma of curry powder. This recipe is so easy even to cook during busy schedule. Curry leaves is optional. Chinese sausage. Shiitake mushrooms. Dried shrimps. Radish. Wash mushroom and remove stem. Squeeze dry. Chopped mushrooms. Soak Chinese in hot water to ease of remove sausage casing. Remove casing and cubes. Wash and chop dried shrimps. Peel radish and grated. One bowl rice flour. Pour into bigger bowl. 2 bowl water. Stir well. One tablespoon cornstarch. For corn flour, I refer to the recipe online. I want to try it and see if there is any difference in texture. Stir fry ingredients until fragrant. One tablespoon oyster sauce. 1 teaspoon each of pepper powder and salt. Grated radish. Stir fry until radish turn translucent. Pour in batter. Stir and mix well. Pour into steam bowl while hot. High flame steam for 40 minutes. Radish cake is done. Looks good. Remove from steamer and let it cool. Smells so good. It's best to cut after let it cool down. You may put at room temperature or fridge. Room temperature usually 3 to 4 hours. Be patient. Once cooled, loosen the sides with a spatula and turn it out onto a cutting board. Nice! Cut into small pieces. You may use sharp knife dip with water and cut. Pan fried until both sides crispy. And turn golden brown. If your radish cake is mushy, it is because too much of water. Golden ratio for radish, water, rice flour is 100 to 40 to 20. Listen to the frying music. I especially love to eat the burnt part. It's crispy and fragrant. Do you prefer steamed or fried radish cake? Tell me and leave me message. Plate it. Radish cake is done. The skin is crispy and golden, perfect. This is my perfect radish cake. So delicious. Cook this easy recipe for your family during weekend. You may also dip and taste with chili sauce or oyster sauce. Just like how we eat dim sum. The texture tastes softened with added cornstarch recipe. Still tastes good. Today we will stir-fry radish cake. Also known as lobiko, it is a delicious Chinese dim sum dishes. Chili, dried shrimps, preserved radish, eggs and dried shrimp chili paste. Wash ingredients. Chopped preserved radish. Chopped chili potty. Chopped dried shrimps. Crack eggs into bowl and beat it until frothy. Cooked and cooled radish cake. Loosen the sides using spatula and turn it onto cutting board. Cute radish cake. So cute! You can actually heat it and eat it right away if you dislike stir-fry radish cake. Radish cake army is ready. Let's stir fry now. Fried radish cake until golden brown. Be patient to stir fry radish cake. Pour egg liquids, scrambled and set aside. Sauté dried shrimp, mushrooms, and preserved radish. Add 1 tablespoon dried shrimp, chili paste and stir fry. Add and mix well fried egg and radish cakes. Plate it. Fried radish cake is done. This fried radish cake is flavorful, yummy. Seasoning to adjust for dried chili paste you use. You may add bean sprouts and leek also. Let's cook and share this easy recipe with your family. Do follow my next new recipes on Friday to Sunday, 3 times a week, yeah. Weekly recipes will be available on Monday, containing videos of previous week too. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.